Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we want to learn how to adjust screen brightness and contrast on Android. So you go to your settings. When you go to your settings, you click on display and brightness, and this is the brightness. Click on the brightness here, then you can lower it here and you can increase your brightness. The screen timeout, you can play with it here. This is, if you want to keep your screen on, just click on it and your screen will be automatically on. The light on your screen will not off, so you can just off it back, and you can set your screen time out here. If it is 15 seconds, your your screen is going to off immediately after 15 seconds. If it is 30 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes, you can 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So you can adjust your screen brightness here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button, share and comment.